Guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Markets were up today. All right. So Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell were all up. So we'll go over those indexes and dollar making another move lower. All right. So we'll go over those. All right. Hey, tomorrow, welcome. All right, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Let me share my screen here. All right. All right. So the Dow, guys, Dow right here was up, 55 points up for the day. NASDAQ was up, Russell was up, and the S&P was up. All right, dollar, we'll spend some time on the dollar index. All right, continuing to move lower. All right, we looked at it yesterday, so it's continuing to move lower. All right, we have a low here. You might find some support here, but the target for the dollar is all the way down here, which is right around 98 right here. Okay. Again, might find some support right here, but moving down nicely here. Okay. All right. So that's the focus right now. The dollar short, and we're in several short trades in the dollar pairs. Okay. All right. So on the S&P, guys, the spiders, here we are. This is how close we are to the all-time highs, okay? So haven't broken out. We don't have a confirmed buy signal yet by our system, so we'll wait to add stocks, okay? So we're going to wait. We get a break through that resistance, all right? Right, resistance right here. Notice how buyers are just holding here, right? We get a breakthrough. We get a buy signal. We'll start adding stocks, okay? All right, the worst thing we want to do is get in, all right, before the buy signal. Now, if we were like in October, November, right, and with price action like this, we would move it to the 240 to get in earlier. We don't want to do that right now, okay? All right, we could see sellers come in, right, in September here. All right. The Dow, the diamonds, guys. All right. So we do have, all right, we do have charts being funky here. All right. Buyers are here. Hold on. IBM. Let's change this. DIA. All right. Let's fix this here. Okay. All right. So on the diamonds, the DIA, guys, good markup phase. And here we go. Here we are right here on the Dow. All right, just looking to break through that resistance. We have good resistance here, okay? And we're looking to break through again. We need buyers to come in, break through that resistance, and give us a buy signal. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right, same thing on the Q. So nothing major has changed from yesterday, okay? Buyers are holding. All right, but we still want to go through this. The minute we get away from this is when, all right, things change and we miss opportunities, okay? All right, same thing on the Qs, guys. Moving up nicely here on the Qs. All right, good markup phase. I've got to fix these charts, okay? But good markup phase. We're going to get through resistance up here. Okay, on the QQQ, on the Russell, the IWM. All right. IWM, we are moving higher. Buyers are coming in here. Green candles, we need to break through that resistance. Okay, long way from there though. All right, bottom line is these indexes are holding. Indexes are holding. The VIX moved up a bit. All right, that's surprising. So it's at, the VIX is at, what's that, 16 and change right here. So it went from 14, 15, and now 16, but still low. Anything under 20 is good. Okay, guys? All right. By the way, we have a new success story coming out. All right, so we'll send it out. As soon as we have done putting it all together, But you guys are going to like this. One of our traders been with us for a while, really figuring things out with some options trading. Okay, so we'll send that out soon to everyone. Sectors, buyers are coming in back into these sectors. Okay, so we have 4 new sectors that are new ups. These are new ups. All right, so buying is coming in, slowly coming in into the sector. So that's encouraging. Okay, so buyers on the indexes, buyers on the sectors. VIX is holding very encouraging for the equity markets. We just need buy signals. Okay. Forex, we should have volatility, still have a good amount of volatility, right? On the daily, on the 240, and on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, the trade right here now are the shorts, but look here, dollar shorts. But look here, yen pairs, guys, are going lower. There are times when we will see, right, where the yen and the dollar pairs will move together. Okay, it doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen. So we'll see if we can find some opportunities. But the best trade right now for Forex are the shorts. All right, dollar shorts. Let's see here. The max 7, nothing has changed, just like yesterday. So nothing major there. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, okay. Pound yen. We have a red candle here. Now we're retesting, guys. Retesting that trend line, red candle. Okay, these yen pairs will follow pound yen. Okay, so like I said, we might see the yen pairs go lower. All right, so we'll definitely take a look at yen short this evening. Okay, all right. Most of the yen pairs that we might have closed those yen pairs prematurely in Forex Dominator. Okay, so they might be coming back down. All right, so okay, current positions, short positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. All right, so we don't have any longs. We do have some shorts on the 60-minute time frame, the dollar pairs. We really need these yen pairs to go up, not down. If they go up, we'll have a rotation. They go down, we'll have confusion. All right, so dollar CAD keeps moving lower. All right, sell short signal here. Great trade going here, guys. That's for about lots of pips here. All right, so dollar CAD sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. We don't have any new support support levels here. Okay. All right. Hey Joe, welcome Joe. So no new support levels. Let's see here. All right. So no support levels here, guys. So let it continue to move lower. If you get, all right, if you break support, you have support here. I know it doesn't have its system, didn't bring in any lines yet, but you can put a support line here, dollar CAD. All right. And what we're looking for is a break and continue to move lower. Good short trade going here. This is on the 60-minute time frame too. Okay, so dollar CAD keeps moving lower. Dollar Swiss. Okay, so USD CHF. Sell short signal here, moving lower. We can do the same thing here. So bring in your support lines. You don't have to do this. Your system will do it. All right, so but for reference, you can do that. So dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, USD CNH, okay? Sell short signal was here. buy to cover. So close that trade, please. Okay? Close that trade. So we've got two. Now we missed a few, quite a few shorts on the 60. All right, but we've got a few here on the 240. All right, so 240-minute time frame short in Monster Scalper on the 240, and then we've got some long trades also. All right. All right, so USD SEK, guys, sell short signal here. Nice break of support. Keeps moving lower. Look at that. All right, so no buying in these dollar pairs, guys. Let them move lower. No support and resistance level yet, so let it move lower. USD SEK, USD HUF, right? Another great trade here, right? Sell short signal here. We had a low right here. It's breaking through that area. All right, so we need to remove this here. All right, what we can do is this. I don't think it has any support there. No support. Okay, here was the support. I'm sorry. Here it was right here. So it is breaking through that support level right about here. Yeah, right about here. Okay. So sellers are definitely in control. Keeps moving lower. Very profitable trade here on the 240. Okay, great trade going here. So short, moving down nicely there. USD HUF, USD DKK. All right, sell short signal here, guys. Look at that. Okay, so you guys should be in these already. All right, too late to get in short. All right, too late to get in short. USD NOK, sell short signal here, holding firm at support. Keep an eye on this one, guys. You notice here it's consolidating, just sitting here at support, okay? And we have a lot of support here, ton of support here. So you could see buyers come in, okay? All right, because, you know, Peter calls this the mountain, right? Right? So we could see buyers, right, consolidating here. No, it's not happening yet, okay? But we could see that if you start getting white candles in here, right, we might close the trade here, okay? Because it's at a major support level here. This is where buyers came in before, here, here, and here. So they can certainly come in here. If it breaks down, make another leg down, then we'll continue to hold it, okay? USD PLN, all right, good trade going here. Sell short here, sold short here, and trading nicely. We did have a low here, and it is breaking through that low, okay? So did we do Swiss, dollar Swiss here, and USD CNH. USD CNH, sell short signal here, guys, hasn't broken down yet. We do have a yellow support and resistance line right here, okay? Yellow support and resistance right here. Be aware of that. We could see buyers come in, guys, and move higher. All right, this should be breaking down, okay? Breaking down. It's not doing that. Keep an eye on it, okay? It's just holding right here. And this yellow support and resistance right here, that's not good, okay? So good shorts on the dollar pairs, okay? We do have some long positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame, okay? So 240 long positions in Monster Scalper. We do have some longs. All right. So Aussie dollar, AUD, USD, guys, right here. Good long going. All right. So remember, these Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound dollar, New Zealand dollar, those are good trades. Those are, all right, those are trades where, hey, the dollar is moving lower. These pairs that are counter trend, not counter trend, but the reverse, right, of the dollar pairs will move higher. okay, as the dollar pairs move lower. So Aussie dollar, that's the inverse, okay? So buy signal here, moving up nicely, guys. We're right here at resistance, right? Good trade, lots of pips here. What's that, about over 200 pips so far. And what we're looking for is a break above this resistance here to make another leg up, all right? Based on the price action, looks good to a breakout, okay? Well, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Aussie dollar. Aussie CAD, next one. All right, same thing. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. A bit of a pullback, all green candles, so buyers are still in control. Not like here. We don't have any sellers here. We have all buyers, and we have resistance right here. Need to break through. That's Aussie CAD. Aussie Swiss. All right, we have a red candle and a sell signal, so we have to close this trade. Okay, so buy signal was here. On a break of this resistance, price broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade, okay? All right, we don't want sellers to come in like this, so we have to close it quickly, close it soon. All right, Aussie, Swiss, close the trade, please. Let's remove this. All right, good trading. New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen. All right, that's still holding. All right, at this point, guys, the yen pairs can do anything, right? Could go up or down, right? Lots of consolidation in here. We don't have a direction right now for the yen pairs. Okay, Aussie yen. All right. We're going to close this one. Buy signal was here. We got a red candle. All right. Anytime we get a red candle, guys, in that markup phase, we're going to close the trade. Okay. So red candle here. We're going to close it. If buyers come back in, we break through that resistance here. We get some green candles. All right. We might call it again. But for right now, Aussie yen, close the trade, please. Pound yen. Pound yen is holding, but keep an eye on it, okay? These yen pairs are weak right now, okay? New Zealand dollar, right? Breaking through that resistance right here, all right? So that's the inverse of the dollar pairs, all right? So New Zealand dollar buy signal here, breaking through that resistance. Do we have further resistance? Yes. So we have further resistance up here, all right? But looks good. Now, purple support and resistance, just keep an eye on that. All right, just remember, guys, purple support and resistance, that's lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. That will slow your price down. There's not a reason to close the trade, but certainly we want to pay attention to that because we have a lot of resistance in here, a lot of consolidation, okay? So that will definitely, this whole area here will put pressure on this move moving higher here, okay? So we don't have a clear path, all right? So remember that, okay? That's why we're getting that purple support and resistance, okay? Right there. No need to close the trade if you're in it. Just keep an eye on it, okay? All right, that's New Zealand dollar and New Zealand Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss. Now, that's not a dollar trade, so just be aware of that. We have a lot of resistance here. This is where the previous buy signal failed, guys. Okay, so bought here, right? Sold here on a break of support. We're testing it again. That's what we do as traders. We test, right? Test the market. And sometimes say we are testers, all right? Not traders, testers. So we're testing it here again. Hopefully we get a breakout and move higher. If not, we'll get a sell signal to get out, okay? All right, a bit choppy in here, so keep an eye on it. All right, so those are the longs in Monster Scalper on the 240. We do have some longs in Forex Dominator. Markets were up today. We'll take a look at the current positions in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and Bullmaster Pro also, okay? All right, Forex Dominator, we've got some long positions. Let's take a look. This is on the daily time frame now. Even if you don't trade on the daily time frame, it's same price action, guys, so we can learn from right, from this. Euro CAD, all right, buy signal here. Euro CAD is finally moving higher. All right, Euro CAD moving higher. All right, New Zealand dollar, all right, buy signal here. Let's bring in, we have a very defined range here on New Zealand dollar. Remember this on the daily time frame. And what we're gonna do here is bring in a trend line. We do have resistance there, but this trend line might work out better here, okay? So we have a trend line, downward trend line, and let's see if we can break out of it here. We do have resistance here, but, right, let's pay attention to what's happening here. So it might break out of this downward trend line, okay? So it's narrowing here, okay? All right. New Zealand dollar, Euro dollar, okay? Euro dollar, we have a buy signal here. So the dollar pairs now. And the inverse dollar pairs. All right, good support here. And we have resistance, and we are breaking out nicely too. All right, right about here. And here we are. Buy signal here, right? Pull back and moving up nicely. Euro dollar. And then pound dollar. All right, new buy signal came in the other day. And this one here. No, this is not your best trade. The dollar short is your best trade right now. But this inverse, right, there's only a few of them. I think we've got how many? Four inverse pairs. All right, and here we are getting out of this wedge here, okay? All right, buy signal here, breaking out. At least they're breaking out. Again, not your best trade, not your number one trade, but still. All right, we do have some shorts in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame, and those are the dollar pairs short. All right, so USD PLN short on the daily time frame. Okay, guys, right? We drew this in here. You know, we're in a range here, good support here, and we are breaking out. Okay, so we are breaking out to the downside. All right, no further support. So if this breaks, we could really move lower. USD PLN, and just remember, guys, as we go through these dollar pairs, remember, right, the dollar index is moving lower. Okay, so, all right, I know a lot of times as Forex traders, we just focus on the individual pairs, right? But we have to focus, all right, especially right now on the dollar index, okay? So it is moving lower. That will help your trades in the dollar pairs move lower also, okay? So don't trade these blindly, all right? Okay, all right, so USD PLN, Euro dollar, USD NOK, sell short signal here. We're looking for a break of support here to move lower. USD DKK, sell short signal here, and boy, is this breaking down, all right? Nice trade here. We got support here, broke through that support, moving down nicely here for so far, what's that about, 200 pips or so? All right, and it's really early in the trade. All right, if we bring it down like this, guys, you see here 200 pips, and we're just now clearing, right, all of that consolidation here. Okay, and that consolidation has been what, a year, and so now it's breaking out. So hopefully this doesn't happen, right? Hopefully this doesn't happen. Continues to move lower. Okay, that's the goal there. All right, USD CZK, sell short signal is here. And guess what? All right, it's breaking through that support, right? Good price action. We got a nice falling knife so far. Okay, further support is all the way down here. All right, so those of our traders, our savvy traders, boy, this is one USD CZK. You might want to bring in a smaller time frame if you're not in it. If you trade on a smaller time frame, right, when they're smooth like this, a falling knife, the smaller time frames. Let me show you guys an example here. 30-minute time frame. Let's just see. Look at that. 30-minute time frame. All right. 60-minute time frame. All right. Look at that. 60-minute time frame. Okay. 15-minute time frame. Not that we would trade on it. And we have some traders that will like this 15-minute time frame. All right. This is a trick here. It's a trick, right? See this 15-minute time frame, right? All right. Sold here, buy to cover, sold here, buy to cover, sold here, buy to cover. Beautiful trading. And guess what? Just wait for the next sell short signal to take it, okay? And the reason that it's trading really well is because guess what? Look at that price action straight down, okay? So you can look for this type of price action if you're not trading it on the daily, and then just find the time frame like I just did and look for the next setup. Okay, USD CZK and USD SEK. Did we do that one? Okay, CZK. Okay. All right, equities. We haven't looked at the current positions in a while for equities, so let's make sure they're holding firm. I'm sure they are. All right, but let's see here. All right, so stock boss, long positions in stock boss. All right, so small caps. All right, IAG in stock boss, guys, buy signal was here at 436, moving up nicely. All right, small caps broke resistance here. Here was your buy signal. This is a reaccumulation trade. Okay, so reaccumulation trade. So nothing to change there. All right, so here's your resistance. Buy signal came in right here by our system. Here's your trend line. Broke resistance, buy signal, beautiful trade going here. IAG, AQST, another good trade, guys. Here's your markdown phase, so here's your discount. All right. Take the selling as your discount. We let someone else take the hit. We wait. All right, we wait to buy, right, at a lower price. All right, so here is your V. All right, markdown accumulation, buy signal, a break of this resistance, moving up nicely. That buy signal came in at 330. Here we are trading at 465. And we're getting past resistance here. This is resistance here. We're going to move this target all the way up here. All right, we have some resistance right here, not a lot. So let's see if it can make it all the way up here. And the market is holding. Now, you guys know we had a lot more stocks, but we're waiting to add more. All right, AVXL, another good trade. Here's your discount, your markdown phase. We didn't buy up here. We are buying all the way down here. All right, buy signal here. Markdown accumulation, buy signal at 465. Now it's trading at 635, right? And it's holding. Buyers are coming in. Target here. Next target, well, let's see if we can get to here first, okay? All right, APPS, next one. All right, good markdown phase, fell from $22, guys. This is why we do this, okay? Fell from 22, and buy signal came in at 252, moving up nicely, making higher lows here. First target here, which would be $6. If it gets past that area right here, next target about here, $12. That would be awesome. Okay. These are small caps, so we need the Russell, right? We need the Russell, right, to continue to move higher, for these stocks to move higher. All right. Bull Master, we only have 2 stocks in Bull Master. Let's take a look at those. We get buy signals, we'll get aggressive, guys. HCA, all right, reaccumulation trades. Now, these reaccumulation trades, guys, work out really well. These are large cap, all right, mega cap stocks, Bull Master, right? So we love to get these on reaccumulation. So buy signal was here on a reaccumulation trade, right at 346, trading at 370.76. All right. Joe is on here. Joe, we're gonna send out your success story. This is one where, boy, you sell those puts. All right, collect that premium. Good job, Joe. I am so proud of what you're doing. You guys are gonna be amazed at what Joe is doing with options. All right, collecting premium, passive income. All right, THC, guys, great trade going here. Look at that. Reaccumulation, all right? Markup phase. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Recent buy signal right here, moving up nicely, right? All right, we don't have a lot in here, but the ones that we have are performing well. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. That's Bull Master. Now, Bull Master Pro, all right? This is what Joe has and been doing well. All right, we want to see you keep pushing it, Joe. Keep pushing. All right, ADMA, buy signal here and moving higher. And that's relatively inexpensive for Bull Master Pro, okay? Coke, still in Coke, guys. Look at Coke. Reaccumulation, right? Really good trading here. That buy signal, I know it's expensive, but you can trade the fractional shares, all right? Or you can sell the puts. Don't do that, though. You got to know what you're doing, all right? All right, Joe, there's another good one here. So Coke, C-O-K-E, buy signal here, moving up nicely, breaking through that resistance here, all right? Breaking through near-term resistance here, reaccumulation. Good job for Coke here. All right, HWKN, another beautiful trade. I don't know if you guys remember this trade, right, where it was in a tight consolidation, right, in a channel here, moving up, and we finally got a buy signal right here, and it held for a long time, right? Never give up on it, right? Just held and held, finally broke out. Look what it's doing now. Amazing. Sometimes you've got to give these trades just time, all right? As long as we don't have sell signals, just let them run, all right? Find something else to trade in the meantime while they do their thing, okay? So HWKN, buy signal came in at $80. Look at it now, 123, and making new highs, making high. Let's see the range on this. Let's take a look at the weekly. Oh boy, look at the weekly here. So no resistance on the weekly. On the monthly, do we have no resistance on the monthly, guys? So no guarantees, you guys know, but this could very well keep moving higher. All right, but at some point it will, right, consolidate, slow down. Okay. All right, next one, NTRA, right here, reaccumulation. This one is fairly early. All right, buy signal here, and it is breaking out. We just needed to break out more, okay? And here's your trend line. Here's your markup phase. So we know buyers are definitely in control, okay? All right, so all right, here we are breaking through that resistance. PLTR, we did several videos on this, okay? 3 videos, I believe, right? This is part of AI. Buy signal came in, and this one also was breaking out of a channel here, right? Right, so trading within that channel, right? Buy signal here, we called it absolutely right at that buy signal here on the break of resistance, break of that upward channel here. good price action. Buyers are definitely in control, moving higher here. All right, so that's part of AI. You want to AI play. That is one right there. SN, all right, buy signal here, broke resistance, moving up nicely. All right, that's reaccumulation, right, in the markup phase. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, holding firm. Okay, now we look forward to adding more to these systems, but again, we need real confirmation by these indexes. Okay, so we need buy signals, and those should hopefully come in soon. All right, okay. Our US 30 traders, before I forget, because I usually forget, I shouldn't forget about our US 30 traders because these are important systems, okay? But we have a buy signal that came in here, okay? I know we have a red candle here, okay? On the daily time frame, we look really good. We are breaking out on the daily. The previous trade we closed, all right, couple of days ago, did really, really, really well, okay? So market's still holding firm, but we're looking to break through. Now, there's buy signal. We have a buy signal here, red candle. It's still holding. So if we break through that resistance, do we have data tomorrow? Tomorrow's what? Thursday. So we do have data, guys. So our Forex traders, we have data coming out in the Euro session, all right? In the London session at 3:15, 3:30, 4:30, and then we have unemployment claims in the New York session at 8:30, PMI at 9:45. So we have data. So Forex traders pay real close attention to the data in the Euro session, and we have data in the New York session for our E-mini, so Monster US 30 NAS. Okay, so what you might notice is that it moves higher, but we have a buy signal. Okay, so if you want to, it's on the 60-minute time frame, right? Breaks to that resistance, right? You might want to take it. You might want to put a stop loss like somewhere in here, okay, because of that volatility that's going to come in, okay? So in the morning. So just be aware of that. So, but setting up really nicely. When we see buyers holding right at that resistance here, green candles here, holding, right? I know it's hard to see right here. That's good, okay? And we clearly, you look here, we clearly, right, mark down, mark up, and we just looking to break through, get past sellers here, okay? All right, good setup here. NAS 100, same thing here, very similar. We just need a buy signal. We don't have a buy signal yet, but that should come. Look at this. Look at these trades, guys. Bought here, hold on. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. And we just need another buy signal. Looks great on the daily. So we're US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders. All right, you guys should be all over these trades here, okay? All over them. On the S&P, right? So SP 500, we do have a buy signal. All right. So guys, you guys know we don't get trades like this every day. So when you have them, when you find them, get on them, okay? Monster S&P, SP 500, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. We have a current buy signal right here. And look, we're making higher lows here, okay? So it's moving up, all green candles. Good trading here, good trading. I want to see what gold. Do we have gold here in Monster Futures? Let's see. All right. We do have a buy signal in gold, so you guys know that, okay? All right. Let's see here. Stock Boss. All right, Stock Boss. Just want to run Heat Seeker. Looks like we've got some volume here. Okay, 47 stocks in Stock Boss. Let's see what they're buying. A little bit of healthcare. All right, so not a lot. So it's mixed, healthcare, tech, not a lot. Okay, so nothing really. Bullmaster, let's see. All right, 77. I think we had 100 the other day. Let's see what they're buying. Healthcare. All right, healthcare. All right, so really healthcare. Okay, so guys, you notice they're not building, right? They're not. It's not. It's not increasing. It is, but it's not, right? We're not getting. We're not getting 100, 150, 100, 200. All right, so if we get buy signals, that will happen. Okay, we'll be breaking a resistance level. Bullmaster Pro, a lot of good buying. All right, so a Bullmaster Pro traders, Carver is back. All right, we're gonna call Carver. Carver is back in play. All right, look at that beautiful buy signal here. So we're gonna call Carver. Now Bullmaster Pro, good fundamentals. Joe. All right, this might be one for your puts, bud. All right, so very, very strong. Okay, selling puts. He's selling puts. Okay, so very, very strong buy signal here. And look at that, nice break here. So Carver, we're gonna call that CAVA in Bull Master Pro. Carver, and we've traded it before. We bought it here. This trade we didn't take. Okay, from here to here, but we went from here to here, and now here we are here. Good trade going here. Yeah, Joe. Carver looks good. And what Joe is doing, guys, you guys will see his video, right, where he explained, and I'm so proud of Joe. So what he's doing with a buy signal like this, and he's got Bullmaster Pro, what he's doing, it's pretty smart, is he's waiting for this buy signal on these stocks that really have a lot of good fundamentals in Bullmaster Pro. And what he's doing, he's selling puts. Okay, he's selling puts. So as the price goes higher, right, he's collecting a premium on those puts that he's selling to other traders. Okay, so those traders, they have no idea what he's looking at. All right, so he knows the price is going to go down. Okay, they're betting. He knows the price is going up. They're betting, right, that the price is going to go down. Okay, so as it goes higher, guess what? They lose money, right? And he collects a premium for that. Yeah, just really good. And he put it all together. All right, he thought about it. Hey, I get a buy signal on these very strong stocks that are moving higher. I'm gonna sell puts. Okay, I'm gonna sell puts, and just good job. So Carver, so that's the only one. I mean, there are more here, guys, but that's the only one. Okay, we're gonna do for now. Monster Scalper. Let's take a look here, and then we'll be done. All right, we got about 10 more minutes, and we'll be done. Okay, so Monster Scalper shorts. I want to look at, see what these yen pairs are doing on the short side. Okay. So ZAR yen, let's see here. All right. Dollar yen. TRY. These yen pairs really want to go lower. SGD. New Zealand yen, HKD, pound yen, nothing here yet. Euro yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen. All right, dollars are great short. Look at that on the 60-minute. So short, buy to cover. Let's see here. Guys, I hesitate because this is not supposed to happen. So there's going to be a reversal either in the dollar pairs or in the yen pairs. Okay? Right? These pairs are supposed to go either in the opposite direction of the dollar pairs here. All right, so USD SEK, so USD SEK, short on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. So we're gonna stay with that theme for now. Okay, dollar index is still strong, moving lower. USD SGD has a sell short signal, but we got a yellow support and resistance line right here, guys. So if you're gonna get in, you might want to wait for a break of support here. On the 240, all right, look at the 240. It's, it's extended, but it could certainly move lower on the 240. And then look at the daily here. So just a break of support here. But I would wait for that. So SEK has a purple support and resistance. That's why that's better there. PLN, are we in it? Yeah, we're in it on the 240. Wait on the 60. Pound pairs, guys. You know, we had some great shorts on the yen pairs already. I'm not trusting this. I'm not trusting this move here in the yen pairs. Okay. And remember, the yen pairs will follow, they do follow the equity markets. Okay, so, right, we're still bullish on equities. Stocks are still moving higher. All right, we don't have a buy signal, but they're still moving higher. These yen pairs will follow the stock market, equity markets. Okay, not 100%, but they do. So this, we could see buyers come in here pretty heavy. So there is a trade long in the pound pairs. So let's take a quick look at those and then we'll be done. Okay, so pound ZAR, all right, on the 60 minutes, see what's happening here. Pound dollar, we know about pound dollar, okay? All right, pound dollar. That's the inverse. SGD. Okay, we're gonna add SGD. All right, we don't have any long position, so we're gonna add pound SGD. So GBP SGD long on the 60. Now it's moved a bit, but not too far. Okay. All right, it's got good price action, and on the 60 on the 240, look here, setup is beautiful on the 240. Good markdown phase, buy signal. Yes, we had some red candles here, but we broke resistance, nice big candle, and then we're moving up. Okay, so good confirmation on the 240. On the daily, we've got white candles, which is fine. All right, white candles here. So that's a bullish sign here. All right, but good setup here. So pound SGD. Pound PLN. That's a bit choppy in here. We'll hold off. Pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand. It's setting up nicely, guys. We have white candles here. The current candle here is red, right? Let's hope that changed to at a minimum white. Buy signal here, and it's holding. We're going to add it, okay? If it breaks to that support right here, we'll get a sell signal. But good, right? Good discount here. We have support, good support right here. All right here, that's good support here. All right, resistance is up here, buy signal here. So pound, all right. There's a small move happening in these pairs, pound pairs. Pound NZD, long on the 60. Pound HKD, that's gone here. All right, that's gone. We'll hold off on the 240. Look at that. Beautiful trade on the 240. So definitely they're moving. Pound Swiss, nothing yet. Pound CAD. All right. We're going to add pound CAD. The only concern, guys, with pound CAD, all right, it's got a purple support and resistance. And hopefully on the 240, it breaks out. That will help this trade here. Okay, so buy signal here. Red candle, buyers are coming back in, but it has a purple support and resistance. Okay, now it's traded fairly well. Okay, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. No, that's too high in the markup phase. So we'll pass on this. Okay, Aussie, pound Aussie. We'll hold off. A lot of resistance here. Look, purple support and resistance. Now, if this was yellow, all right, but purple right here, so it's under pressure. See here, purple under pressure. So it might consolidate, stay within that range for a while here. Okay, all right, okay, could break out, but all right, if it breaks out, then you guys keep an eye on it. Okay. All right, still trying to figure things out. We do have green candles here, okay, but it's still trying to get going here. All right, so dollar short, it doesn't look like buyers are coming in yet in the dollar pairs, guys. We got new down, okay. You know, if we see alerts come in this dollar, this yen short trades, we'll let you guys know. That's an interesting trade. Hold on, let's see here. Okay, so that's an interesting trade. With the yen pair short. Okay, we'll keep an eye on on the weekly right here to see what happens. We do have, like I said, a red candle coming in here. That's not what we want though. On the monthly, the yen, pound yen is holding. Remember, these pairs will follow pound yen's lead. On the monthly, it's holding. Let's see what the yen is doing. Okay, the yen is still holding right here, and it's slowly moving higher. So the yen pairs could go down. Guys, I don't know what to tell you here. All right, I mean, there's no sign of buying in the yen pairs. So, I mean, in the dollar index here. All right, no sign of buying. It's coming down. So these yen pairs really should be going up. But so we'll just hold off on any shorts. Now you might miss it, right? Sometimes we have to just let the trade happen. All right, let them lead the way, and then, and then be conservative. Let them play out, and then find your spot. Okay, you might miss the first run, especially on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, like we did on the dollar pairs. But there'll be laggers that we can get. You can't catch all of them. But we don't have any real direction yet in the yen pairs. We just closed a lot of shorts on these yen. After we went long for a long time. We went long for, you guys remember, right? We went long, and then we went short. With the dollar going short now, I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you guys know, okay, what's going on. All right. So short, we're still short the dollar. We're still waiting for buy signals. We are going to stick with that. Okay, we do need buy signals in the equity markets. Okay, now we could just hold near the highs on these indexes. Okay, but we're not going to move it to the 240. Like we've done in the past, and get in early. Okay, so we need confirmed buy signals before we really start adding positions in Stock Boss Bullmaster. Okay, all right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And copper looks good. Okay, all right. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.